Hey, what's up, Polygon holder? So in this video, I will discuss you my brothers to 20 June ke they will moving upward or now. What's the price prediction of Polygon? What's the technical analysis and what's the opinion? So let's get start this brand video. But kindly, I want to tell you, my friends, something about the update of Polygon. You know, especially this time, the update of Polygon is going to be positive from last 7 days, from last 24 hours, last 1 hour. So it's mean, my brothers, to Polygon is returned now and they will absolutely recover the lost. So exactly, you know, my friend, the start of this month, especially the first week of this month, this coin is completely dumps down, like very badly dumps down, my friend. So therefore I will tell you to really keen in upcoming time there is a chance to they will move forward now. So and June 20, my friends, can there is a chance to they will wake up. Absolutely, there is a lot of chances, because you can say, my friend, the last 24 hour, 3.38% the price is in the profit, the price is increased now. So it's mean to the prices is completely increasing from last 1 month. And if you can see, my friend, the last 1 hour, the last 7 days, you can see, your friend, 11% the price is increased now. In last 1 hour, you can see here 0.7%. So it's mean to my friend, completely this coin is moving upward now. If we see, my friend, the chart, so exactly we understand. But kindly, I have one request to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So as you can see, my brother, this time the resistance line is absolutely going to show you, my brothers, to upcoming time there is a lot of chances that they will moving upward now, because 1.3 USD dollar the price is increased from 1.3 USD dollar to this time, as you can see, my friend, the price is come to, I think, something like 1.4 USD dollar to half, I think 1.45 USD dollar is this time. You can see, my friend, a jump. So it's need, my brothers, just in only holding. If you are a holder, so hold it. I recommend all of you, my brothers, to hold it, don't sell it, and wait for the good time, my brothers. I hope in the end of this month, just in only if you wait for the end of this month, then I am 100% sure, my brothers, to upcoming time they will give you a profit now. So let's see, my brothers, to what they do. But kindly, holders, don't sell it. Remember to don't sell, otherwise you are, so my friend, sad to what we do, my friend. We do a very big mistake. So therefore I will alert you now. You need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.